This video segment continues to examine greenhouse gas emissions from the transportation sector. It explores alternative transportation and natural gas and hydrogen as fuels for transportation. Its major points are: Number 1, alternatives to private vehicles have been declining in many countries. Number 2, use of compressed natural gas for vehicles is expanding. Number 3, widespread use of hydrogen in vehicles will have to overcome many severe technical difficulties. Light-duty vehicles are only one of many modes of personal transportation. Greenhouse gas emissions from these modes vary widely. A person on a bicycle emits about 2.3 grams of carbon per kilometer, and one walking or running emits 6.3 grams of carbon per kilometer. These modes are the ultimate in biofuel conversion. On the other extreme, a commuter helicopter emits 180.5 grams of carbon per kilometer per passenger. A central factor in transportation efficiency is passenger occupancy. Except for cycling, walking, or running, the incremental energy required per additional passenger is small for most modes of transportation. Therefore, doubling passenger occupancy nearly halves the greenhouse gas emissions per distance traveled. The vast majority of travel in the United States and Europe is via private vehicles, which includes cars, small trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles. Attempts to encourage carpooling through special highway lanes and toll-free passage over bridges have met with only marginal success. In fact, the number of people who carpool to work in the United States has declined over the last 17 years. The number who walk or cycle to work has also declined. In contrast, ridership on public ground transport has expanded significantly from a low point in the 1970s. This includes a 50% increase in travel via intercity buses and a slight increase in other forms of public ground transport. Public air travel, except for the period after the airplane crashes on September 11, 2001, has also risen steadily. Nonetheless, travel via single-occupancy vehicles is still gaining ground on all other forms of transportation. This chapter has focused almost entirely on personal transportation, although freight transportation is increasing faster than that of people. Freight is more sensitive to economic market forces than personal transportation. For example, no one cares whether their packages arrive in an elegant limousine or in a big brown boxy van, as long as they are delivered quickly and intact. Then again, nobody drives to a formal social event as the Academy Awards in a big brown boxy van. The shipping industry, air, sea, road, and rail, thus responds more directly to rising petroleum costs than personal transportation. For instance, this industry quickly adopted technologies such as diesel, hybrid diesel-electric, compressed natural gas, and aerodynamic cowlings to improve fuel efficiencies. Many countries are vigorously developing alternatives to gasoline and petrodiesel in order to achieve greater energy independence, attain a more favorable balance of trade, and diminish greenhouse gas emissions. Alternative energy sources for transportation include compressed and liquid natural gas, hydrogen, electric and electric hybrid, and bioethanol and biodiesel.